Wow, look the shine, guys. Wow. First the purple one, and second the sky blue sky. Look at the color. Look at the combo, guys. Wow. And very thick also. Smell is amazing, guys. Like flowers. Very nice. And this is a new combo, orange and green, and this is pink and green. So this is 4 color, guys: pink, orange, green, purple, and sky blue. So 5 colors, total 5 colors.